Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Translation. Prahlad Maharaj prayed, how is it possible for me, who have been born in a family of Asuras, to offer suitable prayers to satisfy the Supreme Personality of Godhead? Even until now, all the demigods headed by Lord Brahma and all the saintly persons could not satisfy the Lord by streams of excellent words, although such persons are very qualified, being in the mode of goodness. Then what is to be said of me? I am not at all qualified.
Sri Prabhupada Uvacha Brahmadaya Suragana Munayuta Siddhya. Sattvaikatanagatayū Vachasāṃ Prabhāvai Nārādhitam Puruganai Raghunathi Pitru King Tushtamarahati Sami Hari Rugrajati. So, Ugrajati means demonic family, passionate, Ugra. There are three qualities within this material world. Therefore, it is said, Gunamayi, Daivihi Yesa Gunamayi. Gunamayi means three gunas, three modes of material. Sattvagun, Rajagun and Tamagun. So, our mind is jumping. Everyone knows the nature of the mind. Sometimes accepting one thing, again rejecting it. Sankalpa, vikalpa. This is the quality of the mind, or nature of the mind. Sometimes the mind is jumping over Satogun, sometimes on the Rajogun, sometimes on the Tamogun. In this way, we are getting different types of mentality. In this way, at the time of death, the mentality which is just at the moment of leaving this body will carry me to a different body of Satogun, Rajagun, Tamogun. This is the way of transmigration of the soul. Therefore, we have to train up the mind until we get the another body. That is the art of living. So if you train up your mind simply to think of Krishna, then you are safe. Otherwise, there is chance of accidents. Jang jangavapi smarana bhavam tadattanti kalevaram. At the time of leaving this body, if we have not practiced the mind to fix up at the lotus feet of Krishna, then there is a particular type of body we get. So, Prahlad Maharaj, although he does not belong to this platform of mental speculation, he is Nitya Siddha. he has no chance because he is always thinking of Krishna. Savai mana Krishna padara vindaya. Practice this. Very simple thing. Krishna is here, we see the deity daily and see the lotus feet of Krishna. Fix up your mind in that way, then you are safe. Very simple thing. Ambarish Maharaj, he was also a great devotee. He was king, very responsible person, politics, but he practiced in such a way that he fixed up his mind on the lotus feet of Krishna. Savai mana Krishna padara vindayo vachangsi vaikuntha gunanuvardhane. This practice. Don't talk nonsense. What is your practice? Take out.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.